So today we're making Medusa's white truffle oil French fries with white truffle mayonnaise. You're gonna want this recipe. Delicious. They're easy, a few tips and techniques, and you can make truffle fries for your family at home. I get a Kennebec potato, which is a potato with a little bit less starch than a normal russet. You can find these in a specialty grocery store, but I don't do more than a 1/2 inch slice because I like my French fries crispy, but you can cut these in any shape you want. You can do curly fries. Everything is the same process. You break them up, but these get fried in your avocado oil at 300 degrees. After the 3 minutes, they come out, and what you end up with at 300 degrees is this pre-cooked French fry. And this is going to be fried a second time now at 365. We set our timer for 3 minutes. Now I'm frying in avocado oil, which is the best oil for you health-wise, and it has a very high smoking point, and it doesn't add any flavor to your French fries. But what we're doing now is we're crisping up that skin because the potato is already cooked because we cooked the French fry once already. You know, you want to keep your French fries moving a little bit, just keep all that oil at one temperature. You have to do this with a thermometer so you can keep an eye on how hot your oil is. You know, you can see we're just above 360 there on the line, so that's what we want. We want this to fry at about 365, 370 at the most. Any higher than that, and it's too much. You won't get a good crisp on that French fry. It'll brown quicker than you'd like it to. We used to do a case of these Kennebec potatoes every day for French fries at the restaurant. We'd fry them in the fryer at 300 degrees. We'd lay it out on sheet pans. We'd let them cool off. We put the French fries in the pans, and then when we got an order, we would fry an order of potatoes in our fryer at 365. And then once they came out, we tossed it with my seasoning, with some white truffle oil, and then we made truffle oil. So we got about a minute left on this. I'm gonna make the truffle mayonnaise right away. I've got my homemade mayonnaise here that I've made with avocado oil, and I've told you how to do this. You put egg yolks, lemon juice, salt and pepper, and we'll have a recipe for this mayo for you. 1/2 tablespoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of good French Dijon mustard. And we have an olive oil store in town here that sells some really great truffle oils. We're going to do 2 ounces of white truffle oil. We're going to give that a mix. You want this truffle mayonnaise to be mixed very well. I wish you could smell this right now. It smells so good. And that's it. That's our truffle mayonnaise. Our timer is going off for the French fries. So we're gonna pull those out now. As you can see, they're nice and crisp. Did you hear that when it hit the bowl? That's what you're looking for when you're making French fries. You take some of my house seasoning or salt and pepper if you don't have it. And you toss a little bit of the seasoning. And you sprinkle with a little bit of white truffle oil. About 1/4 to a 1/2 ounce. You toss those, and then you have a bowl with paper, not paper towel. And then we serve with truffle mayonnaise. And that's Medusa's truffle fries.